Before an AI generates a response, it predicts many possible next words. Each word has a different probability. The AI doesn't always choose the most likely one. The temperature setting controls how those choices are made. A low temperature prefers safer, more predictable responses. A high temperature allows more creative and unexpected ideas. So temperature doesn't change what the AI knows. It changes how creatively the AI responds. Before choosing the next word, the AI considers many possibilities. Each possible word has its own probability. Some words are more likely. Others are less likely. The temperature setting influences which option is selected. Lower temperature favors the most likely words. Higher temperature gives less likely words a better chance. This is how AI creates responses that are either predictable or more creative. Temperature controls how creative an AI can be. On the left, a low temperature. The AI chooses safe and predictable responses. On the right, a high temperature. The AI explores more unusual and creative ideas. The knowledge stays the same. Only the way responses are selected changes. Here, you can see the difference. On the left, low temperature. The AI gives safe, consistent, and predictable responses. On the right, high temperature. The AI becomes more imaginative and explores new ideas. Both sides use the same knowledge. Only the level of creativity is different. When AI generates a response, it predicts several possible next words. Each word is given a probability. Some words are very likely. Others are much less likely. The AI then selects one of these options. The temperature setting influences that final choice. This is how AI balances accuracy and creativity in every response. Temperature changes how the AI uses probabilities. With a low temperature, the highest probability word is usually selected. The response becomes accurate and consistent. With a high temperature, lower probability words have a better chance of being chosen. This creates responses that are more creative and more varied. The knowledge stays the same. Only the way the next word is selected changes. At a low temperature, the AI prefers the most likely answer. It avoids unusual choices. This makes the response accurate, consistent, and predictable. Low temperature is ideal for coding, mathematics, technical documents, and factual answers. If you need reliable results, choose a low temperature. Low temperature is best for reliable tasks. It helps the AI produce consistent and accurate results. This makes it ideal for programming, mathematics, data analysis, and technical documentation. It's also useful for customer support and fact-based answers. When precision matters, a low temperature is the right choice. A medium temperature gives a balance between accuracy and creativity. The AI stays reliable while producing more natural and engaging responses. This setting is ideal for conversations, learning, educational apps, and AI assistants. For most everyday tasks, a medium temperature is the best choice. A medium temperature is perfect for everyday AI. It creates responses that are clear, natural, and easy to understand. That's why it's commonly used in AI assistants, educational tutors, chatbots, and customer support. It offers the right balance between accuracy and creativity. At a high temperature, the AI becomes more creative. It explores new ideas, unusual combinations, and imaginative responses. This makes it perfect for storytelling, brainstorming, marketing, and creative writing. Every response can be different. If you want originality, a high temperature is the best choice. A high temperature is ideal for creative work. It helps the AI generate fresh ideas, unique stories, and original content. That's why it's commonly used for storytelling, marketing, game dialogue, poetry, and brainstorming. The responses become more imaginative and more varied. Every answer can be a little different and full of creativity. Let's compare the three temperature levels. Low temperature produces accurate, consistent, and predictable responses. Medium temperature offers a balance between accuracy and creativity. High temperature creates imaginative, varied, and original responses. The best temperature depends on your goal. Choose the setting that matches your task. Now let's see the same prompt with different temperatures. At a low temperature, the AI gives simple, predictable names. At a medium temperature, The names become more natural and more interesting. At a high temperature, the AI creates unique, imaginative, and unexpected ideas. The prompt never changed. Only the temperature changed the style of the response. The AI's knowledge stays exactly the same. Changing the temperature does not make the model smarter. With a low temperature, the responses are more predictable. With a medium temperature, they become more natural. With a high temperature, they become more creative. The knowledge never changes. Only the way the AI chooses its next words changes. Most LLM APIs allow developers to set the temperature. A low value produces accurate and consistent responses. A higher value creates more creative and varied outputs. By adjusting this setting, developers can control how the AI responds to match the needs of their application. The best temperature depends on your task. Use a low temperature for coding, calculations, and factual answers. Choose a medium temperature for AI assistance, education, and everyday conversations. Use a high temperature for storytelling, brainstorming, and creative content. There is no single best value. Pick the temperature that fits your goal. Imagine asking two chefs to cook the same meal. The first chef follows the recipe exactly. The result is consistent every time. The second chef enjoys experimenting. Each meal is a little different and more creative. AI temperature works the same way. The knowledge stays the same. Only the level of creativity changes. Most modern AI models support a temperature setting or a similar control. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Llama, the idea is the same. A lower temperature produces more consistent responses. A higher temperature encourages more creative outputs. This gives developers the flexibility to choose the response style that best fits their application. Let's recap what we've learned. Temperature controls how predictable or creative an AI's responses are. A low temperature gives reliable and consistent answers. A medium temperature provides a natural balance for everyday conversations. A high temperature encourages creative and imaginative ideas. Choose the right temperature, and your AI will respond exactly the way your application needs.